Indigenous Arts, Culture and Music Workshop. Magandang hapon po, Baguio. October is Indigenous Peoples Month and an extraordinary event is blooming right here in the heart of the city of Pines. Isang libreng imbitasyon. We invite you to join us and immerse yourself in the rich heritage of the Cordilleras and the free indigenous arts, culture, and music workshop, our first edition. This workshop is a continuing creative program proudly presented by our dedicated local official, Councilor Leandro Villamot Jr., a passionate advocate for preserving and celebrating our vibrant indigenous traditions and the cultural hub that is Baguio. Ano ang aasahan? This is your chance to connect with your roots and acquire skills passed down through generations. This Saturday, you'll have an open invitation to learn. Matuto ang mga tradisyonal na kasanayan, the beautiful art of playing indigenous instruments, the delicate technique of weaving using rattan, and the captivating stories told through traditional painting, and a lot more. It's a complete cultural experience, absolutely free and open to all. Mark your calendars and prepare for a morning of discovery. Free indigenous arts, culture and music workshop when Saturday, October 25, 2025. Starting promptly at 8:30 a.m. where Baguio City Art Bank Athletic Bowl, Baguio City. Huling paanyaya, final invitation. This is more than just a workshop. It's an act of LBY advocacy and a grand celebration of our creative indigenous people. It's your chance to support the indigenous arts and people of Baguio and the Cordilleras. Halina matuto at maging bahagi ng cultural. Come, learn, and be a part of the culture.